What's up, everybody? Today we got a 2013 Subaru Crosstrek, and let's talk about the bolster on these. What happens is there's a wire that's holding the support behind this cushion to the frame of the seat, and that wire snaps, and then this just pushes back through, and then you end up with a split in your cushion as this pushes back, and this metal bar behind here just stays there, and then this ends up ripping. So you can use some foam adhesive to re-glue this, but today I'm just gonna see if the back support is broken and show you how to get in there and fix it. It's not that difficult, and usually sometimes the wire itself is intact and it's just fallen off and you can reattach it. If not, you can slap another wire in there. Let's go back and check it out. So come around to the back of the seat. You're gonna get your hand underneath here, find the little plastic little corner. It's got plastic. You can just pull down and towards you to undo it. It's just a plastic strip with a little lip on it, and then you got the zippers on either side that will flip out. You go looking for it, you'll find it in there. Show you on this side. There it is. Okay, got those unzipped to the top. Got this undone. You can either unplug that or just cut this little thing, or not. You can probably see what's going on just from in here. So here's your little metal bar I was telling you about. It's the hook is bent and let go of the little hole that it's supposed to be grabbed onto. Because again, here's that back support, this wire mesh. Uh-oh, what'd I do with my wire? Anyway, there's a better look at it. So like you can see with this side, let's go over here. You can see this wire here hooked around there. It's slotted through a hole like this one right there, but it's up in there. All right, so now that that's done, I'm gonna tuck this under there, keep it out of my way. You can lift this. Now if you want to really get in there and fix the foam, usually I'll take this 10mm strap off. This is a limiting strap for the airbag, holds onto the upholstery while the airbag explodes out. It's easy enough to put back on. Otherwise, I'll get in here. We'll see if I can show you without doing that. Okay, this little pink plastic eyelet right there, that's where you need to stick this wire. So I'll show you. And I haven't rebent the wire, but for purposes of just showing you what you got to do, there you go. Well, it's not in there very well, but you get the idea. I still got to bend it, take it out, and actually what I think I'll do, it's probably going to be easier just to get some needle nose pliers. I'll leave a link in the description for some special tools if you'd like, so I can reach in there, grab that, and pull it toward me and bend it, maybe even twist it around itself. So then when you go back up front, this is going to sit back, and now it's sitting where it should. As we saw before, that big ridge in there, there's still split. I haven't fixed that, but it at least the back isn't pushing and extending further back than it's supposed to, causing more damage and just an uncomfortable. You don't want this metal bar digging into your kidneys or whatever. So if you'd like, you can pull the upholstery through. As you can see here, I'm already kind of pushing it away. You can continue to pull this right here forward and glue that foam if you want. Otherwise, just reverse the process once you've got your wire hooked back up. If you need to create, you can get some baling wire or tie wire for ironwork. I'll leave a link in the description below. Wrap it around here. You know, it only needs to be about 4 inches long, 3.5, 4 inches long. Get it through that front hole, and then reverse your process. You know, zip your zippers down. Take this plastic clip, and you're gonna flip it upside down and stuff it into this plastic U-shaped piece that's across the front piece of upholstery that we pulled it out of. And that connects the front down here, I mean the back piece here, to the front piece where your lower back is. All right, I hope that helped you out. This happens on a lot of Crosstreks. It's obviously pretty cheaply designed on that seat. It's got one little wire holding you in your seat. It doesn't give me a lot of confidence for when you get rear-ended, but just know that you're not alone. This is very common. I've fixed a lot of them. All right, you guys, if that helped you out, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.